Good morning everyone, it's Cole here from Kaz and Cole's Caravanning Adventures. As you might notice, I'm well wrapped up today. Just getting round to posting some videos from our holidays in the south of France from 20th of August to the 6th of September. Yeah, been a bit delayed getting them on for you due to work commitments. But I'm going in for a knee replacement in a few days time, so I should have plenty of time to get them uploaded. I just thought I'd show you this view over the sea from where I'm actually parked, just back end of Storm Dara, and I think this might be an ideal opportunity to actually upload the south of France videos where the temperature was 35-40 degrees. Just some memories of the summer. Hopefully that will cheer you up. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. It's great to hear the comments from people. Hope you enjoy the video. The one I'm going to be uploading shortly is our visit to Orange in the south of France, in Provence sort of area. After that it'll be a little walk round camping des Favards on a vineyard before we finally arrive down into Port near Saint-Tropez. So I hope you enjoyed the videos. As I said, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to keep up with our adventures. Bye for now. Afternoon guys, Saturday the 24th of August. Cole here from Kaz and Cole's Caravanning Adventures on our Caravanning in France trip 2024. Slowly making our way down to the very south of France. We're having an afternoon out in a place called Orange. This was always the target, stay here for 3 days on camping des Favards and then pop down to Orange, which is an ancient Roman town. And I'm actually standing here looking at the Arc de Triomphe just outside the centre-ville, the city centre. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're following us down there, thanks very much for watching, and if you want to continue following our trip and you haven't subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you could. And of course, hit the notification bell and like and share. Thanks for watching. I'll get some more clips in as we're walking around the town. I've just walked all the way around the Arc de Triomphe. Arc de Triomphe, monument à la gloire de Rome. The triumphal arch south-face monument to the glory of Rome, built on Via Agrippa at the entrance of the ancient Orange Colonia Firma Lulia Secundanorum. Then I can't read the other bit. The arch depicts the victories of the Roman army at the edges of the empire.
Architect of the Arch of Orange, it is my great pleasure to present my work to you. You've come at the right time. We're inaugurating it today. Construction began in year 7 of the reign of Emperor Tiberius. We're here at the northern entrance to the colony of Orange, on the Cardo Maximus, the main thoroughfare leading to the theatre. It's only in Rome that arches honor the triumph of a general. My arch celebrates, firstly, the foundation of the colony by the 2nd Gallic Legion. Secondly, it pays tribute to the legionaries who, a few years ago, defeated the army of the traitor Julius Sacrovir, an Aedui leader who refused to pay his taxes. Finally, a dedication in bronze lettering thanks Emperor Tiberius, on behalf of the citizens of Orange, for his help in renewing the colony. Allow me to quickly describe the arch. It's oriented from north to south, and has 3 vaulted passages, which is quite unusual. Just above them is the entablature with the dedication, a frieze, then a sculpted cornice. The north and south facades have a triangular pediment. The upper part, crowning the monument, is known as the attic. Notice anything unusual? There are 2 of them. This is almost unique. It lends the arch a real majesty. It measures a little over 19 meters in height, the equivalent of a 6-story apartment block or insula in Rome. Its entire surface is sculpted with numerous stories, and its style is known as Augustan after Emperor Augustus, Tiberius' adopted father. I'm sure there's a sculptor around here who can tell you more about that. By the way, if you like stories, I recommend that you visit the Orange Theatre. A sound odyssey is sometimes performed there. It's a marvelous show with gods, heroes, and extraordinary music.
Right, okay, so we're walking into the town now, so hopefully you've enjoyed the little walk around the Arc de Triomphe. If you do go to Orange, there's a free car park which is right adjacent to the Arc de Triomphe, and then it's just a 5-minute stroll into the Centreville. So I hope you're enjoying the video so far, so don't forget to subscribe, keep watching to the end because there's some really nice sights within Orange itself. We didn't have much more time to video around Orange, so we took loads of photographs. So at the moment, what you can see there, we're walking down towards the arena. You have to pay quite a bit of money to actually get in to look around. It is a fantastic site. So I'm just going to finish off this video with showing you loads of photos which we actually took on our walk round. So I hope you've enjoyed the video so far. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.